We hear it everywhere. COVID is more contagious now, and it's moving fast. That's why everyone, especially those at higher risk, like older persons, those with weakened immune systems, or in high-risk jobs and environments, need to get this shot this season. You see, COVID is sneaky. It changes, and the last shot you had won't protect you anymore. So avoid the... Schedule your new shot today.